Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So let's get started. So I'm going to head over to my Microsoft Edge. And then on the search field right here, I'm going to type in Chrome English Downloader or Chrome English Download, sorry. And by the way, you can substitute this English for any other language of your choice. For instance, you want French instead of English, you can say Chrome French Downloader or any other language of your choice. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to click on enter or the search button right here. So when the search is done, you're going to click on this first link right here with the website www.google.com/Chrome. So I'm going to hit on that. So when the site is open, you click on this download button right here. And then you see your download will kick off. Say it's downloading right here. So when the download is done, you're going to click on the software to install. But if you can't find your downloads, you can go over to your File Explorer right here. Then we're going to click on downloads. So here it is right here. So I'm going to click on this to start my installation. I'm going to click on yes. And the installation process is going to kick off. So you have to wait for a few minutes. So once the installation is done, Chrome is going to open like this. This is what you're going to see. This is Chrome on your PC. So for instance, let's say you want to customize your Chrome. You don't want this white background. You want something more, beautiful. You can customize it by hitting on this customize button right here. And then you can select any of these templates, any of the pictures right here, or you can select one from your PC if you have any. But I'm going to choose one from this, let's say this cityscapes, and here. So when you are done selecting, you click on done, and there it is right there. So when you're done installing Chrome, now you have Chrome on your PC. It's going to appear on your desktop. You might as well want to pin this to your taskbar. So all you need to do is you can just drag it to taskbar and it will pin, or when it's open on your taskbar like this, you can just right click on it, and then a list of options will pop up, and then you're going to click on pin to taskbar, and that's that. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.